Azim Hashim Premji, founder of Wipro Limited, India's biggest and most competitive IT company based in Bangalore. Premji's story of success and prominence clearly shows how determination and perseverance, when coupled with knowledge, clear vision, and proper planning, enables one to reach the peak of success and leadership. A straightforward person, he doesn't believe in resorting to bribery or corruption to get things done and associates quality with integrity. उनके अनुसार इस प्रतिस्पर्धी माहौल में सफलता पाने और अस्तित्व बनाने का एक ही रास्ता है और वो है काम। प्रेम जी का जन्म मुंबई के एक गुजराती खोजा शिया इस्न अशारी मुस्लिम परिवार में हुआ। His father M.H. Premji owned the Western Indian Vegetable Product Company, which made hydrogenated vegetable oils and fats. His grandfather was the Rice King of Burma. His father had declined an invitation from Muhammad Ali Jinnah to go to Pakistan. While he completed his initial education at St. Mary's School, Mumbai, Premji was forced to leave his studies in electrical engineering from Stanford University, California, USA, at the age of 21 to take over the family business when his father M.H. Premji suddenly died in 1966. He has since, after a gap of over 30 years, completed his degree in electrical engineering. जब अजीम प्रेमजी ने अपने पिता की गद्दी संभाली, Wipro dealt in hydrogenated cooking fats and later diversified into bakery fats, ethnic ingredient-based toiletries, hair care soaps, baby toiletries, lighting products, and hydraulic cylinders. Thereafter, Premji made a focused shift from soaps to software. अमल नेर स्थापित वनस्पति मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी वेस्टर्न इंडिया वेजिटेबल प्रोडक्ट बाद में बन गई विप्रो प्रोडक्ट्स लिमिटेड, विप्रो टेक्नोलॉजीज और विप्रो कॉर्पोरेशन में। अंडर प्रेमजी's leadership, Wipro embarked on an ambitious phase of expansion and diversification. In 2000, he was conferred an honorary doctorate by Manipal Academy of Higher Education. 2005 में उन्हें पद्म भूषण से नवाजा गया। Premji has also been recognized by Businessweek as one of the greatest entrepreneurs for being responsible for Wipro emerging as one of the world's fastest growing companies. Wipro Limited's chairman Azim Premji, who is India's top giver, has given away an additional 18% of his stake in India's third largest IT services company to his foundation. There have been discussions around succession plans at Wipro after the retirement of Azim Premji, who is 67 now. Asked about the succession plans, Premji said, "We are always working with succession planning. It was right from the top to senior management level, and that is the key responsibility of the board. He sets high standard for him and his company both, and is in no mood of transferring his legacy to his son until he proved himself to be worthy of it. He has his future goals and plans ready with him to execute, to take Wipro to the next level. And as he says, if people are not laughing at your goals are too small."